Have you ever wondered about the fascinating truths that lie in the world of science? Truths that are often overlooked or unknown? We're about to embark on a journey of discovery, exploring the hidden corners of scientific knowledge. From the surprising capabilities of the human body to the astonishing wonders of nature, we'll uncover facts that might boggle your mind. So buckle up, for we're about to dive headfirst into a world of scientific intrigue and discovery. Prepare to dive into a world of scientific intrigue and discovery. Did you know that the human stomach is so powerful it can dissolve razor blades? A fascinating fact, isn't it? This is all thanks to the stomach's production of a potent substance called hydrochloric acid. This corrosive compound, produced by the cells lining the stomach, is so strong that it can break down certain metals. Imagine that. A razor blade, an object we consider tough and resistant, can be rendered into nothingness by our digestive system. It's a testament to the stomach's incredible protective mechanism. This acid not only aids in digestion, breaking down the food we consume into nutrients our bodies can use, but it also serves as a protective barrier against harmful bacteria and pathogens that we might ingest unknowingly. But don't worry, our stomachs are not in constant self-destruction. They come equipped with a special lining that protects them from the acid's corrosive effects. The lining is constantly renewed, ensuring the stomach is always ready for its next meal. So, while it's not advisable to swallow a razor blade, it's truly remarkable to know that our bodies are equipped to handle such extreme situations. Yes, our bodies are indeed walking chemical laboratories. Ever looked up at a cloud and wondered how much it weighs? Now this might surprise you, but those fluffy, cotton candy-like formations floating above us aren't as light as they seem. Quite the contrary, in fact. Clouds, though they appear ethereal and weightless, are actually massive structures composed of water droplets or ice crystals. Each tiny droplet may weigh next to nothing, but when you consider the sheer volume of a cloud, the weight adds up quickly. Imagine a cumulus cloud, the kind that looks like a giant floating cotton ball. Such a cloud, typical in size, can contain up to 500,000 kilograms of water. That's equivalent to the weight of about 80 elephants. Now, you might be wondering, how can something so heavy float in the sky? Well, the weight of a cloud is spread over a vast area, and the upward drafts of air help to keep them aloft. In essence, the buoyancy provided by the surrounding warmer air, coupled with the winds, holds these water-laden giants up in the sky. So, the next time you look up at a cloud, remember, it's a floating giant. Do you think there are more trees on Earth or stars in the Milky Way? Now that's a question that might have you scratching your head. It's a common assumption that the number of stars in the Milky Way would far surpass the number of trees on Earth. After all, when we gaze at the night sky, the sheer density of stars seems to dwarf anything terrestrial. However, recent estimates have thrown quite the curveball. It turns out that our green planet is more abundant in trees than our galaxy is in stars. If you're having trouble picturing that, let's break it down. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is estimated to house about 100 billion to 400 billion stars. A staggering number, isn't it? But hold on to your hats, because the number of trees on Earth overshadows this. Current estimates suggest there are over 3 trillion trees on our planet. That's right, trillion with a T. This surprising revelation not only underscores the richness of Earth's biodiversity, but also highlights the critical role trees play in our world's ecosystem. From providing oxygen to being home for countless species, trees are truly the silent heroes of our planet. It's a forest out there, quite literally. Ever wondered about the life that exists beneath your feet? It's easy to overlook, but the ground we stride over each day is teeming with life. The soil, the very foundation of our terrestrial existence, is a complex ecosystem that supports countless organisms. Let's delve into this unseen world. Picture a teaspoon. Now it might seem small, but in the context of soil, it's a vast metropolis. A single teaspoon of fertile soil can harbor more organisms than there are people on Earth. Astonishing, isn't it? This bustling city beneath us is home to bacteria, fungi, protozoa, nematodes, and arthropods, among others. These tiny life forms play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients, making the soil fertile and promoting plant growth. Their activities also contribute to the formation of soil structure, which is essential for water retention and air movement. Without these minute dwellers, our world would be a drastically different place. So the next time you step on the ground, remember the bustling city beneath your feet. So, what have we learned today? We delved into the extraordinary capabilities of the human body, discovering that our stomach acid can dissolve even razor blades. We marveled at the heavy weight of clouds, defying our perception of them as light and fluffy. We compared the vast number of trees on Earth to the stars in the Milky Way, finding more trees beneath our feet than stars above our heads. And we explored the teeming life beneath us, in the soil, a world often overlooked, but brimming with biodiversity. Remember, science is everywhere, and it's full of surprises. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering,